right, you guys, you already know what time it is. It is Crumbl Cookies of the Week time, and I have my apron on today because it's Martha Stewart week. Let's get into it. First, we have the classic fudge brownie, New York cheesecake, chocolate chip cookie thins, chocolate tart cookie, coconut layer cookie, pumpkin sheet cake, and finally, mile high lemon pie. Also, let's take a moment to appreciate the box. Look at the details and that beautiful yellow and the Martha Stewart logo in the middle. First thing I want to try is the pumpkin sheet cake. This tastes a lot like the pumpkin square that they usually have, except the top is kind of like a vanilla cream and it's really rich and pretty good. And the cinnamon streusel on top adds that kick. This is a solid 8.2. I want to try their chocolate chip cookie thins. It comes with this Martha Stewart sticker. It comes with 2. Honestly, this is better than Crumbl's original chocolate chip cookie. This is so good. And when you think thin, you're scared that it's going to be crispy. But look at this. This is so soft. And it has a little salt on it with chocolate chip, and it actually is very flavorful. I'm gonna have to go with an 8.6 on this one. Okay, now I'm gonna try the classic fudge brownie. Their brownie is actually really good. Like, Crumbl does a good job with their brownies, but I like it more when it's a little hotter because it's very melty. But this is like the chocolate's a little hard in there. It's not melted enough. 7.6. Now we're gonna do their New York cheesecake. This is better than Crumbl's cheesecakes usually are. It usually feels like a no-bake cheesecake. This feels like a cheesecake, you know? And then look at the crust and then the edges with the fresh strawberries on top. This feels like Martha Stewart was making my Crumbl cookie. 8.8. All right, now we're gonna try the Mile High lemon pie. Usually I hate lemon pies, but maybe I've been trying the wrong ones because this is pretty good. I thought it would be too bitter, but no, it's a perfect balance of bitter and sweet. 7.7. Now we're gonna try the chocolate tart cookie. The exterior is very soft and there's a lot of thick chocolate inside of it and chocolate mousse on top. It feels like a chocolate pie, but it also tastes a lot like a chocolate Swiss roll. This is not bad. It's a little bit too chocolatey for me, but I think the flavor is really there and the mix of textures in there is quite nice. 7.4. Last up, we have the coconut layer cake. This is actually really good, but it is just a vanilla cake with vanilla buttercream inside, although that vanilla cream is amazing. The only coconut that you do get is the top flakes, which is so good. I wish those flakes were inside as well. I just wish the coconut was more prominent in this specific dessert. 7.8. So the question remains, should you get this week or should you skip this week? Honestly, this is a really good week. Martha Stewart really knows what she is doing because this collab is absolutely delicious. But if you really wanted a 6-pack, and since there are 7 cookies, if you're gonna skip one, maybe skip that brownie. All right, you guys, that was my Crumbl Cookies of the Week review, and I will see you guys on the next one.